Tired of competing with a million buyers? Let's uncover hidden wholesale deals right under your nose on Trulia. First, head to Trulia.com in the search bar. Type in the city or neighborhood you're interested in investing in. Once you're on the results page, use the price filter, set a maximum price that's significantly below the average for similar properties in the area. This helps you find potentially undervalued properties. Now, go to the keyword search bar under the filter menu and type in terms like fixer-upper, TLC, needs work, or motivated seller. These words often indicate properties that wholesalers might be interested in. Carefully examine the property descriptions and photos. Look for mentions of Aussie's condition, estate sale, urgent sale, or any indication that the seller is highly motivated to sell quickly. Switch to the map view. Pay attention to properties with price reductions. A significant price drop can signal a seller who's eager to unload the property. Check the days on Trulia information. A property that's been listed for a long time could indicate issues that make it a good candidate for a wholesale deal. Finally, reach out to the listing agent. Ask questions. Inquire about the seller's motivation, the property's history, and any known issues. Remember, persistence is key. Good luck finding your next wholesale deal.